to show you how to crochet a snail. For the shell, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Now do an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, now do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Two single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 24 in the round. Alright, do 2 rows with 24 single crochet in each row. Alright, do 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, I'm going to do one more row with 18 single crochet in the row. Alright, now I'm doing 4 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 15 in the round. Alright, do 3 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, do one more row with 12 single crochet in the row. Do a slip stitch, chain 1. Now I'm going to make the ridge, or the edge of the shell. I'm going to be doing a half double crochet through the bottom of the loops. So instead of going through the top of the loops, I'm going to be going through the side and doing a half double crochet all the way around for a total of 12. Alright, slip stitch to join with the beginning, chain 1, break off your yarn, leave a long strand for sewing. Alright, for the head and body, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle using an off-white. Alright, I'm going to be doing an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, do 3 more rows with 18 single crochet in each row. Alright, now to create the neck, I'm going to be doing 4 decreases. And then I'm going to be doing a single crochet for the rest of the round for a total of 14 stitches in the round. Alright, now where the 4 decreases were in the previous row, I'm going to be doing 2 more decreases. It's kind of hard to see where they're at. And then I'm going to single crochet for the rest of the round for a total of 12 stitches in the round. Right, and I'm going to do 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 9 in the round. Alright, I'm going to be adding the 10mm plastic safety eyes 5 rows down and 4 spaces apart. Make sure that the eyes and the rows of decreases are in the front. I am also going to stuff the head. Alright, I've stuffed the head. Now I'm going to be doing 4 rows with 9 single crochet in each row. Alright, now I'm going to be doing 2 single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, I did stuff the neck up until the last row here. I'm not going to stuff it anymore though, because I'm going to want the body to lay flat. Alright, now I'm going to be doing 6 more rounds with 12 single crochet in each row. Alright, do 2 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 9 in the round. Do a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 6 in the round. Alright, do a single crochet and a decrease around for a total of 4 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. For the antennas, I'm going to be doing 8 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, do 2 more rows with 8 single crochet in each row. I am going to decrease all the way around for a total of 4 in the round. Alright, do 2 more rows with 4 single crochet in each row. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, and because we sewed through the loops, we should have a nice row here where I can easily sew onto the body. Alright, I've brought the string to the mid section of the shell. I'm going to use it to sew the head onto the shell. polyfill to the ends of the antennas. Alright, now you can either leave it how it is, or you can decorate the shell. What I'm doing is I cut out some felt circles. They're about the size of a penny. I'm going to hot glue them on.